Now we're supposed to convert octal numbers to binaries. Anytime you want to convert octal number to binary, you're supposed to convert every single digit from the octal number to 3-bit binary number. How are we supposed to do that? 1 in binary is 0, 0, 1. 3-bit binary number. This is binary 1. 5 is 1, 0, 1. So this is the binary number which is equivalent to 15 octal. And this is the solution to my first problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, we're supposed to convert every single digit to 3 binary bits. So I have 5 again, 1, 0, 1, 3-bit binary number, and 4 also supposed to be converted to binary number. 1, 0, 0. This is binary 4. And this is base 2. So this is the solution to this problem. 77 base 8 we're supposed to convert to binary. 7 in binary, 3-bit binary number is 1, 1, 1. 7 again, 1, 1, 1. Base 2, and this is the solution to this problem. Remember, anytime you will convert octal number to binary, you're supposed to convert every single digit of the octal number to 3-bit binary number.